Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, we will start in very soon. I want you guys to get this to the point that we're gonna come 1 week of smoothie. In that whole weeks we're gonna do 5 days worth of smoothie, green smoothie, all different kind of smoothie. We're gonna do one in the morning for breakfast, one at lunch, and one for dinner. So 3 days a day, 3 meals for the day. You're not going to do what? Eat no chicken, beef, lamb, pork, fish, you name it, kidney, all of these things where you love. Please follow me and do this for 5 days and tell me what you see happen inside of your system. 5 days of smoothie, guys, and I know you guys are gonna love it. We will find all different kind of things where you guys gonna love and make 5 days of smoothie. So stay tuned with Chef Ricardo with the 5 days of smoothie, and remember, it's gonna be amazing and I know you guys are gonna love it. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and please tell a friend, and a friend will know about this 5 days smoothie. Thank you so much for watching this show, and share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and Google Plus page. We love you. See you next time. Bye bye.